In this video, we will show you how to replace your coolant reservoir on this Dodge Ram. This will be located under the hood along the passenger side of your radiator. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing we'll do is make our way along the right side of the radiator. We're going to locate the reservoir. Now for this, you'll find that you have an overflow tube that leads all the way up to the radiator. We're going to remove the tube from the overflow. To do that, there's a small clamp that you can squeeze with some pliers. We'll lift that clamp up and away from the area, and then we can slide the hose off of the coolant reservoir. We'll just give this a quick squeeze, make sure it's soft and pliable and it's not torn, worn, or damaged in any way. This one looks fine, so I'll set it aside for now. At this point, we'll continue on to lifting up on the coolant reservoir. What you'll find is that it's held in place with one single lock. To disconnect that lock, you can use a screwdriver or a small prying device. We're going to come in between the coolant reservoir and the cooling fan shroud. I'll come right down inside this area, carefully place it in between the two, and now I can lift this up. Now with that unlocked, I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. We have our two mounting tabs, and then in the center of them, you have one little nub here. That's the area that locks this in. Looking at that fan shroud, you can see exactly where each one of those is supposed to be mounted into. The little locking tab goes in this center hole. There it is, friends. All right, friends, let's get ready for our installation. While we put this in position, we want to make sure that we have our mounting tabs lined up, and we'll slide that down into the proper position, lining this up with its corresponding hole. Just give it a little bonk, drives it right in. Double check to make sure that it is secured properly. We'll continue on with our overflow hose. Slide that right on there. Put the clamp in its original position. We'll make sure that's secure as well. At this point, the next thing you would want to do would be to open this up and top it off up to the maximum line, down along the backside here. Now that I have this filled up to the full cold line here, I can remove my funnel from the area and we'll make sure we close the lid. Okay friends, we showed you how to install your coolant overflow tank. At this point, you can go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.